Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your phone isn't connecting to Wi-Fi. I'll share a few simple tips that will solve this issue in the vast majority of cases. First, keep in mind that the issue often comes from the router sending the signal. The best fix is to restart it. Unplug your router for about 1 minute, then plug it back in. This simple step alone resolves the problem most of the time. Second, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings by pressing and holding the Wi-Fi icon. This opens the list of available networks. Tap the settings icon next to your current network and select Forget. Make sure you know your password before doing this, because you'll need to re-enter it to connect again. Once reconnected, restart your phone. This fix works in most cases. Third, try turning on airplane mode on your phone. Wait about 20 seconds, turn airplane mode off, and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Alternatively, turn airplane mode on, restart your phone, and once it powers back up, turn airplane mode off and turn Wi-Fi back on. This often clears network glitches. Fourth, check if your phone has a pending system update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it, as network bugs are often patched in software updates. Fifth, if you have power saving mode turned on, try disabling it. In some cases, battery saver settings can restrict or weaken your phone's Wi-Fi connection. Finally, go to Settings, search for Reset Network Settings or Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, and restore the default settings. This will reset all your device's wireless connections back to factory defaults. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi passwords beforehand, as this step will erase all saved networks. If this video was helpful to you, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.